There it is. We are all artists in this family, and we decided we wanted to go the kit, and we're going to build our own. We had to do a floor where we had to do a 4-foot frost wall. There was a lot of different things we had to do, and we wanted to design it ourselves. That was the fun part. It's for parties too, but it's also for us to, from our garden. We'll crank that oven like that night for a party. And then the next morning, if it's in the middle of summer when we have a ton of tomatoes in our garden, so we'll get up in the next morning and that oven is still at 300 degrees. So we throw a couple sticks in and we start roasting tomatoes because it's perfect temperature to roast. So we're using that for a good 2 days, that oven. We just keep cranking it, it's awesome.